to pay my rent now that I lost all my money. Wait a minute.
Oh yes. You can turn any click into art.
Hey, Meta Man, what's up? What are you doing today?
I still don't have any money for you, Dreyfus.
You said I was gonna ask you for money. I was just wondering if you wanted to go to a museum with me.
I'm too hungover from last night. I had so many drinks and other things.
Okay, I get it. But what did you mean with other things?
Never mind that. I was actually planning on going to this gallery today in order to try and sell my couch. This gallery owner I know has one spot left for this open call for artists.
What gallery are you talking about exactly?
Oh, that would be the Bing... Wait. Why are you asking me this?
Just, curious. Since you told me about art and stuff, I'm very interested in it.
I'm not going to tell you anything about this place, Dreyfus. I'm sure you'll just go there and try to take my spot. I need to recover from this hangover. Now, where was I? See guys, in town there's this place called the Bingo Gallery, owned by a guy called Jeff Bingo.
He's one of the wealthiest gallery owners in town, and he's been around for a few years now. Every artist knows him. He's the one to have included in your network if you really want to get somewhere. Every year, he sends his workers to art schools all over the country to pick out the best of graduates. Even though he's a multi-millionaire, he still takes 50% cut of all purchases made. Jeff Bingo has the image of a gallery owner who keeps up with every trend, but at the same time, a lot of people think he's only doing it because he likes money. Don't get me wrong here, I'm not saying all gallery owners are bad by default. I'm just saying every tree has its rotten apples, and in my opinion, Jeff Bingo is one of the worst.
Not that I care too much. He's got the money in the network, and for now, that works for me.
Open call of the Bingo Gallery? That must be it. Meta Man, you pretentious know-it-all. Always educating me about this and that. Never can I borrow your money. What a friend you truly are. This open call is mine. Isn't that right, my cute Labubu? Wait, where did you go? Anyways.
What should I do with all of this money? Perhaps buy a new hat. No, this hat's perfect. Or gold-plated toilet paper. No. Oh, maybe I should buy an island. Every Jeff deserves an island. Perhaps a new cat. Oh, how I miss you, Breacho. I suppose that's karma for buying property next to a busy road.
Hey. Hi. Oh my god, hi. Are you allowed to, touch this painting? This place has such gallery vibes.
I think that's the 24K silver Labubu.
Oh my god, I love art. I'm the 24 karat silver Labubu. 24 carats as in, the measurement of, purity, not, 24 literal carats.
I think I've seen her before. Her work would look amazing in my gallery. Wait, did I just say her before? As in someone who only eats vegetables? Ugh. Vegetarians and vegans. I despise them. Always lecturing me about the environment and sustainability. Don't lecture me, I'm Jeff Bingo. Go and have yourself a glass of milk or something. Oat milk at that. Yeah, I've got some oats you can milk.
Jeff Bingo?
Oh, you must be the 24-karat silver Labubu everyone's talking about.
Like, don't believe everything people say. Like, for real. I'm literally just a regular Labubu. Cute, but like kind of unhinged, lol.
So, what's the story with you being the 24-karat silver Labubu? Of course, everyone knows the 24-karat gold Labubu.
Famous 24-karat gold Labubu.
But you happen to be the silver one?
Oh, please. Don't even get me started on that. It's like a long story, for real. But I'm literally so in love with your gallery. It's like a piece of art just on its own, like for real. The way you just like make exhibitions about like topics. Like, vulnerability is so inspiring.
Oh yes, vulnerability. My favorite topic. It's our core mission here at the Bingo Gallery to represent the vulnerable and give anyone a platform who deserves it. And it sells. I mean shelves. I have new shelves. Would you like to see them?
I mean, sure. Wait, are you actually saying these are new shelves? Because they're kind of covered in dust.
Yes, that's part of the design. Anyway, I would suggest this open call. You would have a solo exhibition at my gallery for a total of 3 months. Would you be interested?
Oh, sounds skibbity cool. No cap. But like, what do I get in return though?
Yes, skibbity cool indeed. You would get exposure, community, and prestige. And occasionally, emotional confusion. But that's normal in the contemporary art world.
Yeah, but I mean...
Ah, yes. From all your purchases, I will receive 110%.
But...
Just kidding. You'll receive what you need. So would you be interested?
I'll think about it.
Perfect. Thinking about it is a yes in our system. And you know what they say. Exdonatical.
What? What does that mean?
I have no idea what this even means. Exdonatical?
I need to go to the restroom.
What are you doing in my gallery, for peanut sakes?
My name is Dreyfus, and I am the maker of this piece of art.
This is not part of our regulations. Get out of here immediately.
But, oh, well, at least I tried.
Everyone's taking pictures. They seem to like this crap. I mean, chap. They seem to like this chap. For good reason, of course. You! Come back here immediately! Oh, I must say, you look vaguely familiar.
Well, I do have an OnlyFans account where I post videos of me farting inside of jars, and I sell them to people online. And I do have one regular customer who goes by the name of JB, and I'm pretty sure it's Justin Bieber. Wouldn't that be amazing? Justin Bieber enjoying my delicious variety of fragrances.
OnlyFans? What on earth even is that? Something that sells ceiling fans?
Not exactly. It's an online platform, and you can post intimate...
I would like to give you an opportunity, Dreyfus. At the Bingo Gallery, there's an open call.
Oh, really now? Tell me something about it.
What is actually happening right now? I thought I was the one getting this position.
Is that so?
Bro, this cannot be real. Are you playing with me right now? Like, for real?
So, Dreyfus, let's go to my office. And I'll make you an offer you can't refuse.
Was that a reference to The Godfather?
Yes.
I'm so sorry. She was kinda cute.
This gallery owner is such a loser. Oh my god. I cannot believe this guy. I mean, I can't just leave here like this.
What? Dreyfus? I'm coming over there right now. Oh, my back! Oh, my back! Oh.
Meadowman, what are you doing here?
Are you kidding me? You chose him for the open call?
Ah, yes, Dreyfus. I adore his work. It's very conceptual and vulnerable. Oh, yes, vulnerability, my favorite topic. You know, it's our core mission here in Bingo
Yes,
Gallery.
I know. You told everyone 1,000,000 times. Vulnerability.
Hold on. I knew it! Justin Bieber is the one buying my fart jars. But what are they doing in the bingo gallery? Jeff Bingo is Justin Bieber? What? I need to get out of here right now.
You just want to sell, don't you? Bingo.
Why do I even spend money on this place? Choo choo kazoo, I'm on the train now, baby. Oh. Oh, yep. Oh.
See who the winner is now, you stupid little man. You can stick your open call right up your
I can get used to this.
Where's my money gone?